Gelato claims to be one of the best print-on-demand services out there, but does it really deliver? Today, I'm diving into what makes Gelato tick, and whether it's worth your time and investment or just another service that falls flat. So, what exactly is Gelato? In short, it's a print-on-demand platform that allows users to create and sell custom products like t-shirts, posters, and mugs without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping. The interface is pretty straightforward, which is a plus for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. You can easily upload your designs and connect them to a wide range of products. One standout feature is their global network of production partners, which means faster shipping times for customers around the world. However, while the user experience is generally smooth, I did notice some areas where information feels a bit sparse. For instance, the specifics on pricing and product quality aren't always clear up front, which could leave potential users with a few questions. Overall, Gelato seems designed for creatives looking to streamline their sales process, but there are definitely some aspects that could use a bit more transparency. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, Gelato's global reach is impressive, allowing for quick delivery times, which is crucial for customer satisfaction. The platform is also user-friendly, making it accessible for those new to the print-on-demand space. However, there are some downsides worth mentioning. Some users have raised concerns about the quality of certain products, which can be hit or miss. Additionally, the lack of detailed information on pricing structures can lead to confusion, especially if you're trying to calculate profit margins. If you're looking for extensive customization options, you might find Gelato a bit limiting. Overall, while it has its strengths, it may not suit everyone, especially those who prioritize quality and detailed pricing information. In conclusion, Gelato could be a solid choice for those just starting out in the print-on-demand business, particularly if you value speed and ease of use. However, if you're more focused on product quality and detailed pricing, you may want to explore other options. It's worth trying, but do your research.